Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Hollister. I'm going to see what they have that's new. I love this tee. It's so cute with the little car on it. It says California. They have some super cute dresses and flowy tops. I love that skirt. It's got like flowers on it, and this one as well. It has like a tie belt. So cute. They have these little halter tops. And they have lots of like strappy tank tops to keep you cool in the summertime. This little backpack caught my eye. It's like see-through. It says Hollister. It's like purple and clear. And then they have some bodysuits. And of course some jeans and some jean shorts. I like this crew neck sweatshirt. It's kind of loose. And it looks like it'd be really comfortable in this one too. And these pants look super comfy as well. Looks like they had some new body care. It all smells amazing. Because you know how when you walk in Hollister it smells good? It's because I think they spray everything with their body sprays. I love this mint green color on this hoodie. It's so cute. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Hollister. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.